Hi, I just want to explain one of the problems we have in campus vegetation around us, and there is a invasive plant in most of the trees growing in the campus premises, and this one is called Tillandsia recurva or ball moss, and it is belongs to pineapple family, and it has become a kind of invasive species in the plants we have in the university vegetation. Now, this plant doesn't take anything from the host plant. It absorbs all the nutrients and water from the air. So, we are wondering what is happening to the host plant, because the host plant keep rejecting the branches little by little. Now you see it reduce the leaves in the host branch gradually, and ultimately the tree start rejecting the dead the branches. So we suspect something in this plant induce the defoliation, and when defoliation happens, plant will recognize non-productive parts of the plants and plant reject those plants. So we need to scientifically test that hypothesis, and we are planning to do a research for that, but it simply shows something coming from the plant and ultimately making the defoliation and making the plant to die, and it spread all over the trees in the campus, and some of the live oaks plants are highly affected. So you see some good branches, right? And in the branches you see no recover the ball moss growing, but when the ball moss is growing, it started shedding the leaves. And when I look at the literature, there are a lot of cytotoxic compounds in this plant. Actually, those cytotoxic compounds have shown a very good anti-cancer activity. So when I look at the literature, it says some cytotoxic anti-cancer compounds in the plants will also induce defoliation in the plants. But we need to check it in the laboratory to make sure that that is the process happening in all of these plants. So we are going to collect this plant and isolate the compounds and compare with the various stage the plants specimen taken from the various stages of this problem.